Welcome back to MotorRevs 27. Today for the 2026 Kawasaki KX85. Let's take a look.
The Kawasaki KX85 is often seen as a rite of passage in the motocross world. For decades, it has been the machine that separates casual young riders from those who are truly serious about racing. But before you decide to bring this iconic green machine home, there are critical realities you must understand. Let's be clear from the start. The KX85 is a race bike, not a learner's plaything. Powered by an 84 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine equipped with Kawasaki's KIPS power valve system, the KX85 delivers an explosive, high-revving character that demands precision. The throttle response is sharp, the power band is aggressive, and mistakes are not easily forgiven. For young riders transitioning from trail-oriented bikes, this can be both thrilling and intimidating. Another major consideration is maintenance commitment. Two-stroke performance comes with responsibility. Regular top-end inspections, piston replacements, clutch servicing, and correct premix ratios are not optional. They are mandatory. Owners who ignore this reality will quickly find reliability slipping and costs rising. The KX85 rewards discipline, not neglect. Then there's the chassis and suspension setup, which is unapologetically stiff. The high-tensile steel perimeter frame combined with fully adjustable suspension is tuned for jumps, hard landings, and aggressive cornering. On a motocross track, this translates into stability and confidence. Off the track or on casual trails, however, the ride can feel harsh, tiring, and unforgiving, especially for beginners or recreational riders. Ergonomics and size are another key factor. With a seat height around 830 millimeters, the KX85 is perfectly positioned for youth riders stepping into competitive classes. Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system allows limited adjustments, but this bike has a narrow window of rider suitability. Taller or rapidly growing teenagers may outgrow it sooner than expected, forcing an early upgrade to a larger machine. Cost is also more than just the price tag. Motocross is an ecosystem, and the KX85 is your entry ticket. Tires wear quickly, chains and sprockets demand attention, suspension tuning becomes necessary, and race day consumables add up fast. This is not a budget-friendly hobby once competition begins. So, who is the KX85 really for? It's for young riders with ambition. It's for parents who understand that racing builds discipline, skill, and resilience. And it's for those who accept that real performance always comes with real responsibility. The Kawasaki KX85 doesn't pretend to be friendly or forgiving. It exists to create racers, and it does that job exceptionally well.